Knowing good vocabulary is very important in writing. Using the perfect word in your sentence will help to make your ideas clearer. Try increasing your vocabulary by watching this video to learn how to use new words in sentences. Today, let's talk about the word vary. The word vary means to change or cause to be different. Vary is a verb. We can use this word in two ways. One way to use this word is with an object, and the other is without an object. Let's first look at a sentence using vary with an object. The company varied its commercials depending on the season. Now, this means that the company had different types of commercials. And now let's look at the word vary used without an object. The commercials vary with the seasons. This simply means that the commercials are different in each season. Another way we can use this word is the noun form, variation. There is a variation in the amount of sales after each promotion. The word variation means that there are differences. The adjective form is variable. There are variable amounts of products that are on sale every month. This means there are different amounts of products. One more way we can use this word is as an adverb, invariably. The media invariably reports only part of the story. The word invariably means on every occasion, or they always do a certain thing. And one last way we can use this word is the noun form, variety. There are a variety of products that go on sale every month. Variety means there are many types. Vary, variation, variable, invariably, variety. All of these are different ways that we can use this word. Try using a variety of words to help vary your vocabulary. I hope you learned some good ways to use this word. Keep learning new vocabulary words to help you to improve your writing. Happy writing!